Need a little help perfecting your skills in the kitchen? Today, Howard shows us some tips on how to frost a cake in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Recently, I was asked, what is the best way to frost a cake? So today, I want to share a few tips to help you out, along with recipes for a homemade chocolate cake and fudgy frosting. First, make sure that your cake is completely cooled before frosting it. So put it on a cooling rack after it comes out of the oven. Then place one layer on a platter, tuck pieces of wax paper around the bottom. This allows us to frost all the way to the bottom of our cake without messing up our platter. Now we top it with some icing and put the other layer of cake on top. We place this on a Lazy Susan. This way we can easily get to all sides of the cake with little effort. At this point, we smear it with a thin layer of frosting using an offset spatula, which looks like this, and we'll let that set up in the fridge. This is called a crumb coat, so don't worry if you get crumbs in your frosting at this point. Then all we do is frost it one more time over our crumb coat, and we end up with perfect results every time. So to get you going, let me share a scratch cake and frosting so you can try out your newfound skills. Let me tell you, I think this is one of the best chocolate cakes we've ever made. To get the recipe for our double chocolate layer cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a picture-perfect way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."
Looks good. You can find this recipe for the cake and the frosting, along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.